saying word more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put a spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way B, you will find liberty and have peace every damn way. Gotta get things, gotta pray. Whatever my hands find to do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the pain. Bottle in my face, I don't wanna.
Ayo, what is good, Nay gang? It's your girl Nay back with another video or whatever. And today's video, I will be showing you how to make your own aloe vera juice. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, your own DIY homemade aloe vera juice. So this was really simple and easy to make. Okay, and all I used was the gel from inside of the leaf and some water, and it has like this little tinted color, probably because I blended up some of like the skin in there by accident, some other stuff, but you'll see all that in the video. But yes, so if you would like to learn how to make your own aloe vera juice, stick around for this video. And if you have not, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and smash that like button, okay? And make sure you subscribe if you have not down below, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a video, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the materials that you are going to need is a blender, a knife, a plate, of course the star of the show, the aloe vera leaf, and yeah, well, that's a blender cup, but you know, blender, oh, and some water, of course. So what you're going to do is you are going to cut the bottom of the leaf and start trimming the ends and the sides and, you know, all that good stuff, you feel me? Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. As you can see that I'm doing, waste not, what not, that's, you know, the name of the game right here. So I just basically use my knife to cut it open. Well, I cut it in sections to make it easier. So I cut it open, sorry, and I cut it in half at first, and then I just kept on scooping out all the gel and all the juices and all its glory. Now I will say, try not to get as much of the leaf in there to make it as pure as possible, but I still got some leaf, but it all blended up all well together, as you will see in the end of the video. So yeah, you're just going to keep on trimming the sides, and you're just going to keep on cutting it away from the actual leaf part. Now I will say, in the beginning I made it a little bit more complicated for myself than I really had to, so learn from my mistakes. Basically, instead of using the spoon to get all of the gel out, use the knife as much as you can and cut on the sides as much as you can, and then if you need to, scoop it out. Alright, so as you can see, I just used some water, and I added, I think I used about a half cup to a whole cup in total, I want to say. So yes. Oh wait, where you going? Okay, thank you. So all I did was I just added some water, and then I just blended it up as it goes. So it's just going blend, 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 blend. And then I suggest using a strainer instead of just straight up, you know, just pouring the juice from it, because yeah, there was a bunch of foam that had excess stuff in it, especially because I didn't get all of the leaf out. So that's what you want to do. Just keep on adding water till you desire, like I did, and I'm just dancing, doing whatever, you feel me? Okay, now, okay, girl, see. So yeah, so just keep on pouring it through the strainer. You don't have to use a measuring cup. I just chose to because that was like the closest thing I had, and it's whatever the consistency you desire. I want to say I added some more water, but we'll see in about a minute. Yeah, okay, I did add more water. Okay, So it's just whatever consistency that you would like. I believe this gave me 3.5 cups of aloe vera juice altogether. This is really easy to make, by the way. Like, it may be a little time consuming once you cut up the leaf from and get all the gel and extract all the gel. But after that, it's really simple. It's really easy. So that's why this was a good DIY project. And I'm just using this spoon to push all the juice out that was in the foam. And there was quite a good amount of juice in the foam. So that's why the strainer really comes in handy. And I recommend that you definitely use a strainer. I did not put any essential oils or anything. I just used it straight up. And this will keep in the refrigerator for about, it normally says about 3 weeks, but I always keep my aloe vera juice like in the back of my refrigerator so it doesn't go bad as fast. So as long as it does not smell, you can still use it. That's my motto. That is definitely my motto. So yeah, I'm just straining it, and it took some time for it to strain all the way through, because I'm very, you know, waste not, want not, hello. Yeah, so that's about 3.5 cups right there. And there was a little bit more juice that I used from the strainer. And I'm just placing it into an airtight container that I will place in the back of my refrigerator. Like I said, it normally says about 3 weeks till it goes bad, but I think when you have in the back of the refrigerator, which is the coldest part of your refrigerator, I think you'll be fine. Once it starts to smell like non-aloe vera juice smell, then yes, that's where you have to be concerned. But yeah, that's the aloe vera juice. Quick, easy, simple DIY project. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, that is how you make your own aloe vera juice at home. It is simple, it is easy, you don't really need that much. And I got quite a lot, as you can see. I got 3.5 cups overall, and everything that I made is in this tub. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use this as a liquid when I do my moisturizing routine. I'm going to use that, put in a spray bottle, and just spray on my hair and proceed with that. I do have a video on how to achieve maximum hydration and moisture with minimal effort, and this is one of the products that I use in that video. So stay tuned for that video. So yes, so thank you guys for watching this video so much. I appreciate you guys. Please leave me a comment down below what you think, or any other things you would like to see me make as a DIY for like hair or other things, because I love making DIY products anyway. So yes, so if you haven't, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Drop a big papa, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let her drop the draw.